Good morning, students. Today we're going to be talking about writing an introduction to our persuasive research paper. So we're going to start off with an interesting fact or statistic in this paper about buying plastic and recycling. So it starts off with, it is estimated to take up to 1,000 years for non-recycled plastic to decompose. This is a scary statistic. People use plastic every day, so where does it all go? Unfortunately, a lot of the plastic clutters the oceans and land. Also, people and animals can be harmed by plastic. I believe that people should reduce the amount of plastic they purchase. Okay, so this is basically just like a really short paragraph, and it just kind of introduces your topic using like an interesting piece of information, and then it states the opinion right off the bat. So we're just going to take a look at what the author is actually doing in this paragraph. In the first sentence, it is estimated to take up to 1,000 years for non-recycled plastic to decompose. In the first sentence, okay, we have a number, and that's called a statistic. We're starting off with how many years does it take? It takes 1,000 years. Estimated, right? We don't know exactly how many, but it's estimated. This is really great research information. It's also a nice way to start off with a statistic. Y'all remember before break we talked about cafe squid. Okay, this is always a good way to interest your reader by giving specific details, by giving specific information that applies to your topic. They go on to explain that this is a scary statistic. Okay, people use plastic every day. Where does it all go? Kind of asking a question here. Okay, you can also ask a question. And we're going to get to that in just a minute, why that's important. When you start off, you want to make your topic something that the reader is also interested in. This isn't just something that you are saying. You want to think about who you're writing and who your audience is. Then they go on to say, unfortunately, a lot of plastic clutters the oceans and land. This is presenting a problem that we need to find a solution for. Also, people and animals can be harmed by plastic. Here's more to that problem. People and animals, right, are in danger. I believe people should reduce the amount of plastic that they purchase. Right here, we have our claim. This is the author's claim, what we need to do as a result of reading this paper. This is my claim. Your claim always goes at the end of your introduction. Okay, so I'm going to ask y'all later, where does your claim go? It always goes at the end of your first paragraph, your introduction. Okay, always. Don't forget that. Okay, I'm going to go on to start writing and including research information. I'm going to start off each paragraph, each of my 3 body paragraphs, with my prose. Okay, so first of all, birds and animals eat small pieces of plastic and are unable to digest it. This is my first pro. So you're going to start with your first pro here, pro 1. In the next paragraph, I just go on to explain the research information and kind of explain that paragraph. You can read that on your own. In the second paragraph, additionally, plastic does not decompose, creating mass buildup in landfills and oceans. This is my second pro here, pro 2 we'll call it. And in the next paragraph here, most importantly, most plastic contains harmful chemicals such as BPA, bisphenol A, which can cause disease. Okay, so we have pro number 3, it's bad for your health, it can cause diseases. Okay, so there you have it. We have basically our structure for the entire paper that we're writing. Make sure you include lots of research information as you are finishing these paragraphs, as you're writing today. Take a look at this as an example of this mentor text. Should people stop buying plastic? Take a look at it, read through it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Happy writing, guys.